Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemmel back from a week off, a little travel, little break up in northern New Mexico for the last week or so, and got back and looked at some charts, found a lot of decent charts right now. Seems like the quantum computer stocks seem to have some of the better momentum setups right now. This one right here we actually had posted in a report back here in that $10 area. We already had a nice move off of that. And looks like we have another good setup in the PBC zone, and I'll break down the cycles in a minute. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkunatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Before we break down the cycles on QBTS, the market rating right now is a C-. We're definitely making good progress. We just need one more spike up on the index and a pullback retest, the higher low on it. We're getting pretty close to having that. We'll be back to a B and possibly moving up to back to an A market pretty soon. Right now we're at a C- still. Tariffs have a lot to do with this stagnation right now, but maybe as soon as we get some resolution on that, the market will pop back up. So looking at the cycles on QBTS, again, excellent pattern quality, very strong momentum. Left hand side of the cup was a 10 BMI, and we had two cycles in the cup. We didn't get a Cat 3 cycle setup, and that's how strong it is. Typically you get a Cat 3, good Cat 3 cycle, and this is such a strong cup. We only got two good cycles in the cup. A TM1, 1.5 month cycle. You can see the price squeeze there, held above that initial pullback lows, and then when the TD9 set, that's a 50-day cycle, pullback from that, held above the cycle 1 lows, and price squeeze started coming in. If you're watching this close and you saw that subtle price action kind of right at that 750 PPP, get a really nice move off of that up to the about 166%, just establishing that PBC zone. So it hit the $20 psychological price point, and as you can see, pull back. We had that first wave down, and now we have a price squeeze right here. You have a looks to be a TD3 cycle, TD4 cycle, the 10 to 13 day cycle. You can see the first cycle low is probably going to hold on this pullback here. You're basically squeezing right between those two psychological price points, 15 and 20. And once we get resolution where the support is right here and push out of this trend line, you can see the left hand side BMI can really push this thing up. We'll break down some price targets when I come back here. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkunatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, looking at some targets based on the cycles here. The first cycle off the lows is a TM3 cycle on the underside of that, and it's already taken out the north channel and coming back retesting that. So the next channel extension is the TM3X. That's around $27 or so, which would be probably close to a 50% plus gain on that if it hits it. And the TM32X is north of 35 bucks. That'd be 100% gain. Now if you base it on the left hand side of the pattern here, 10 BMI, extrapolate it off of that would be $110 plus 11, about 120 bucks. Entirely possible with these meme stocks, but you need to get a lot of juice to push that hard with all that basement supply, all the buyers down here. There'll be a lot of selling pressure all on the way here. But the cup BMI from that's about close to 1,500%. You know, again, this could really rock it just based on the pattern quality, momentum, a lot of traders watching it closely, and it is in a very hot sector, quantum computing. But more realistic is the X channel, 2X channel. And again, as you've probably seen in other videos of mine, I like to target about a 200% gain out of the PBC zone on these hot momentum stocks. that would take it to it's about $60. 2 times 20 plus 20, about $60 on that. So good chance it'll hit it, but right now just gotta work its way through that $20 psychological price point and could be off to the races. Again, it's QBTS, D-Wave Quantum Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.